Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today I'm gonna update you on what happened to my Pouchette Metis from repair. So 2 months ago I did a video which I'm gonna link it down below regarding my Pouchette Metis that has a wrinkle on the handle, and I got it this week and I'm gonna show it to you guys what was done to this first. So I sent it to Louis Vuitton last July 23rd, and I was told that this will take 4 to 6 weeks for repair, and it's more than a month. I got an email last week that it's available, and I sent this with a regular dust bag, the one that is smaller with a flap, and it came back with this drawstring big dust bag, which I'm happy. So it looks like this. So I've had this purse at least a year and a half, and the problem was this handle, which has like wrinkle all around it, like all over. And it came with this from repair. This was replaced, and I'm really happy with the look of it, as it looks really new. When I got mine, there's already like a little wrinkle, but as I use it, the more wrinkle the handle develops, and I don't think it's a normal wear. That's why I brought it in. The store told me that it was a normal wear, but since I've been shopping to that store for years, the manager agreed to have it repaired, and I was not charged for it. Up to now, I'm just happy that it was repaired, but for me, it's not a normal wear even if they insist. Just look at my previous video, which I'm gonna link. I'll just be the judge if you think it's a normal wear or not. But for me, the wrinkle on the handles really looks bad, that I'm just glad that they replaced me with a new one. So I cannot even tell that it has been repaired. Like, they really did a good job on this purse. Like, I don't know if they did remove the stitches to replace the handle, as it was sewn here inside, if you feel it, but I cannot even tell. Like, it is really repaired well, that I wouldn't even know that something has been done with this purse. I have not used this much since I also have a Pouchette Metis in front, and I always switch purse. As you can see, I also have still the plastic in here, so that means I was not really using this much. And compared to the handle of my front leather, I am just happy by the way it look, that I am ready to use this again. So this is what it looks like. The bag is still in amazing shape, and I sent this with the strap inside, and it came with the strap as well. So guys, just happy that this was addressed well and that this handle was replaced. I haven't seen any handles as that looks like mine previously. That's why it gave me the confidence to just bring it to the store and ask if they will repair it. So yeah, I'm so happy about the outcome of this purse, that it has been replaced and I didn't even spend anything on it. And I just love my store here in my state, that they were able to do something about it. Well, you take care, guys, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and I hope I'll see you next time again in the next video. Bye!